Good afternoon, sir. Myself Noori Sumaya from first year CSC branch. Today my topic for the presentation is program on accessing structure members. In this slide, let's discuss about introduction to structures. Structures are defined as a collection of variables of different data types stored in a memory together. They allow for the organization of a complex data in a very manageable way. Accessing structure members plays a vital role in programming. When it comes to data structures, it is evolved into two kinds: the built-in data structures and user-defined data structures. Integer, character, pointers, and float comes under built-in data structures, whereas arrays, lists, and files comes under user-defined data structures. In the next slide, we discuss about when it comes to understanding structural syntax. A structure is defined using the struct keyword followed by its name. Member within a structure are defined within the curly braces. Each member can be of different data type, allowing for flexibility. When here is the syntax, struct we should start with struct keyword and structure name within the flower braces data type member 1 and data type member 2. We should end with statement separator. And here is the example of storing marks of the student. We should start with struct keyword and student within the braces. We should allot roll number which is of integer data type, and we should allot name within the size of the name within the subscript and marks, followed by the followed by the statement separator. Accessing structure members. Structure members can be accessed through two operators. They are dot operator and arrow operator. When it comes to syntax, dot operator, structure variable dot name, arrow operator, structure pointer and pointer symbol, which is a mixture of minus and greater than symbol, and member name. Basically, pointer is used to store the address of a variable. When it comes to example, we should start with the C struct student s, and we should allot roll number and name of the student and the marks, and we should end with the statement separator. As every one of us knows that C language is rich of many operators, in that dot operator and arrow operator are also included. When it comes to dot operator, it is used to access structure member when the variable is not a pointer. Dot operator is also known as dotted notation or dotted syntax. When it comes to syntax, it should start with structure variable dot member name. And here is the example: C struct. We should start with struct keyword and student, and roll number should allot roll number. To give output, here we use printf function, and percentile d because it is marks out of integer data type. When it comes to arrow operator, it is used to access structure member when the variable is a pointer. The advantage of arrow operator is that it can accept both pointers and non-pointers too. When it comes to syntax, structure pointer and pointer symbol and member name. And here is the example. It should start with struct keyword student pointer s. Here we use malloc word which to store the function size of the function, and struct the student to give output. Here we use printf function. When we move to the next slide, here we have, in this slide, let's discuss about accessing structure member using a pointer operator within an array. We know that here is the syntax. We should start with array name plus index with nothing but subscript and pointer symbol and member name. And here is the example. It should start with struct keyword student should store the size within the subscript followed by statement separator. Struct student pointer s is equals to student. Here student plus 0 pointer symbol, we should allot roll number, and in the next line to give output, here we use printf function, and percentage d since we are storing integer data type, and student plus 0 pointer and roll number. Making common errors in accessing members. Forgetting to initialize structure variable can lead to errors. Misusing the dot and arrow operators and misplacing can cause compilation issues. Always check data types of structure members to avoid mistype matches. And accessing structure members. We can access the individual members of a structure using the dot operator. The dot operator is called as structure member operator because it connects the structure variable and its member variable. And the syntax is struct variable and dot structure member. where struct variable is a variable of structure type, while struct member is a name of member, variable of a structure. I end my presentation right here. Thank you for giving this opportunity.